Good morning, everybody. This is a new update, you guys, regarding beneficial ownership information. I already have done a video regarding this on my YouTube channel. For those of you who haven't already watched, make sure that you do so. Watch the playlist of this live update, you guys. I have been sharing a lot of information to help you guys regarding this. Again, for those of you who are just now watching, make sure you go back to the other videos. And a lot of people still don't know this, but these are for those who have the LLC, the corporate businesses, small businesses. Make sure that you file the BOI reporting. And again, a lot of people don't know this. That's why I've been sharing this information on YouTube and also on Facebook to help you guys regarding this. So right now, what I'm gonna do is go right into it. Do the new update. We already know that a federal judge, you guys, had blocked BOI reporting, but now it's a new update that they're showing. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that I screen share. Give me a minute to screen share this information, and you can also go to this information, you guys. I got the links below. Click on the link and you should see all this information yourself on the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. Now, this has been in place already for large businesses, but they definitely wanted to do this for small business, you guys. So they put this in force. It went into effect last year. And for those who had new business in after January the 1st, 2024, within 90 days of that new business, you had to do the reporting. And if you already had a business, what they did was make sure that you go all the way to before 2025. You had the December 31st to file before that January the 1st, 2025 update. But a federal judge blocked this. But the new update I'm talking about today, you can see it says, please note that beneficial ownership information reporting requirements have been affected by a recent federal court order. The Department of Treasury is appealing that order. That's why I was telling you guys it was temporary on that last video that you watched on my YouTube channel. And also on Facebook, you guys, that this was just temporary and that you really had to keep up with this, especially if you had a small business that needed to be filed. It says, in the meantime, reporting companies are not currently required to file the reporting and are not subject to liability if they fail to do so while the applicable order remains in force. However, reporting companies may still opt to file the requirements of the beneficial ownership information reporting. Okay, they also have the website for you to do the reporting. I have the links below, you guys, and it got all the information on the website, and it even got help. You should see that. That's why I'm screen sharing this, you guys, to help you guys who need help regarding the filing, you guys as well. So what I'm finna do right now, you guys, is go to another update. So give me a minute to change screens. I'm gonna remove this, stop screen sharing this, and I'm gonna actually screen share some more information that's from the FinCEN Act, FinCEN site, FinCEN.gov. And that, again, I made sure that I put that information, you guys, I make sure I put that information in the description of this video. Also, make sure you like me and follow me on Facebook and YouTube. You can also subscribe to me on Facebook if you need help. And also you can subscribe to me on my YouTube channel as well. Okay, you guys. So let's get into the beneficial, what more information update on the FinCEN. You can go to the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. Again, this is the government website, official website. Make sure you go to the official websites, you guys, because there are not other websites out there to help you file with reporting. So be careful and make sure you go to the right site. Also, if you scroll down, you should see, I'm going to put this all over the screen in case you on your phone. You can turn it sideways. You guys, I want to make sure also I share this on By Grace Tax Services Facebook page. Make sure I share it on my Facebook page as well to help those of you who are who have been clients of mine and need more information and you have a small business. So give me a few minutes. This video is live if you're watching a replay of this video. Okay, it says, in light of a recent federal court order, reporting companies are not currently required to file beneficial ownership information with FinCEN and are not subject to liability if they fail to do so while the order remains in force. So definitely, you guys, you got to keep up with what's going on with this, so you make sure that if you haven't, you can still file. It's not required, but you can still file. However, reporting companies may continue to voluntarily submit beneficial ownership information and reports. The Corporate Transparency Act plays a vital role in protecting the U.S. and international financial systems, as well as people across the country, from financial threats like terrorist financing, drug trafficking, and money laundering. The CTA levels the playing field for tens of millions of law-abiding smaller businesses across the United States and makes it harder for bad actors to exploit loopholes in order to gain an unfair advantage. So it was a case, you guys, and I discussed that with a federal judge blocked that order regarding that. But I'm going to go on to December the 23rd, some more up to date. It says, on December the 23rd, 2024, a panel of the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit granted a stay of the district court preliminary injunction entered in the case of Texas Top Cop Shop versus Garland, pending the outcome of the Department of Treasury, because the Department of Treasury appealed this, you guys. So FinCEN immediately issued an alert notifying the public of this ruling and recognizing that reporting companies may have needed additional time to comply with the beneficial ownership reporting required. FinCEN extended reporting deadlines, so it extended the reporting deadlines on December 26, 2024. However, a different panel of the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit issued an order vacating the court's December the 23rd, 2024 order granting a stay of the preliminary injunction. According as of this was December 26, 2024, the injunction issued by the District Court of Texas Top Cop Shop versus Garland is in effect, and reporting companies are not currently required to file beneficial ownership information with FinCEN. For those of you, make sure that you go to the official site to get all this information and the alerts. That's why I made sure I put all the links below this video, you guys, to help you guys who needed more help with BOI filing, because you're getting all this information from different people. You need to go to the actual reporting site, you guys, and that's why I made sure I put the official links of the U.S. government down in this video. The link should be in the description of this video to help you guys on both of them. And if you still want to file, you still can file as well, okay? All right, keep up with all this information, especially, you guys, if you have a business. So important. Now, for those of you who are talking about tax season is coming up, you guys, tax season is coming up. For those of you who want to file with me, I have over 400 videos. I do live updates every week during tax season. I have been doing throughout 2024 and throughout 2023, you guys. To gain more information about me, you can visit my website, you guys, Dr. Linda Likely's website, or you can go to By Grace Tax Service, or you go to the Facebook page to learn more. Preseason loans will be available on January the 2nd. Refund advance loans are only when the IRS announce when the official update of the season. We're talking about preseason for those of you who file before the opening of tax season, you guys. Also, I have audit protection. You have to schedule an appointment with me to be able to file, you guys, as well. Want to give you more information about that. Live portal is available for my tax clients. For those of you who already know, you schedule and you get a client portal with all the information you need regarding filing and how to upload online. Also, for those of you who are needing help on how to get a bigger refund legally, I have a video. This is my popular video on my YouTube channel, and I also have the book available. Now, this does not guarantee, it goes by your information, you guys, but this goes by the tax laws as well of how to get a bigger refund legally, okay? So it doesn't guarantee. For those of you who still want to be tax preparers, a new tax business, you guys, I have Shining Lights Academy Academy, you guys, tax prep coaching, you guys, how to attract new tax prep clients. I also have my book that's available on Amazon, you guys, and also Tax Pro Boss Planner, also with Tax Pro Boss merch for those of you who have been interested in that. Okay, you guys. All right, for those of you who keep telling me and asking me about the refund information, the tax refund information, you guys. If you haven't already, some people, I told you guys, if you haven't received your refund already, then chances are that you're probably going to get I know a lot of people do not want to hear this, but you're probably going to end up getting your refund when you file your new tax refund for 2025. That's what usually happens. Some people end up getting 2 refunds. So a lot of people that are in delays and still haven't received, and I mean, I've been giving updates ever since the beginning of tax season last year. Know that if you haven't received it by now, then it probably is going to be in 2025. Okay, when you file, you probably end up with 2. But I told you guys to make sure you reach out to your taxpayer advocate. I've been putting this on the screen. You guys, also the state congressman for your state. I had videos on my YouTube channel regarding that. You guys, how to contact your state congressman, the taxpayer advocate, more about that as well. You guys, and I also give plenty of help doing tax season. So make sure if you haven't already subscribed to me on YouTube and on Facebook on By Grace Tax Services on Dr. Linda Likely, that you do so. Also, you can sign up for my free newsletter, you guys, to give you new tax information. I have a lot of information available to help you during tax season. Again, we know that tax season is coming in. For those of you who want to schedule an appointment with me, it will be on this link that's available that you should see on your screen. Okay, if you have any information, more information, or you have any comments or anything regarding this, make sure you drop it in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Y'all have a great day and be blessed.